In the early 2010s, several European nations faced a massive fiscal meltdown that threatened the global economy. Let's look at what happened. Sovereign debt is simply the money a national government borrows from lenders to fund its operations and public services. When a country spends more than it earns for years, it accumulates debt. If that debt grows too large, lenders lose confidence in repayment. The crisis was triggered by a mix of high spending and the realization that these nations could not print their own money to bail out. In a crisis, the cost to borrow money spikes because investors fear a default. This makes it impossible for the government to refinance. As you can see, the interest rate on Greek bonds soared to dangerous levels compared to stable economies like Germany, signaling extreme risk. When confidence evaporates, the economy grinds to a halt. It takes years of austerity and institutional reform to restore trust. Understanding sovereign debt helps you grasp how global markets are interconnected. Subscribe for more money basics and financial history.